Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can close or delete a note in Evernote. It's quite simple. I have all these notes over here. In order to close them or delete them forever, all I need to do is to select one of them and go ahead and click on the three dots on the top right corner and selecting this button where it says move to trash. You can either do this or you can go ahead and click on notes, click on Ctrl plus A and go ahead and click on this trash button. This will also delete your notes, but if you want to delete them permanently, once you move them to the trash can, you can go ahead and click on trash on the left hand side of your screen. And once you're in here, you can individually select them or just click on this button where it says empty trash, click on empty trash, and that is it. You have now successfully removed, closed, or deleted that note permanently from your Evernote account. Hope this video helps, and if it did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.